So here we have a new installation of an ExactaCut. We have our control power off and our main power switch in the off position. Notice in the off position I can actually open this white handle and drop a lockout tagout through this white handle, which will prevent power from being turned on. So that's your lockout tagout location here for the power source of the whole machine. First start up, turning the main switch on, coming over to the control power. Now turning the control power on will boot up the PLC, which we have the screen for it here, which will take a minute or two to boot up. So here's the main screen that we have when turning on the saw. On the splash screen, just click to main to get to the main screen. So here's our main screen that you will be mainly operating in. The select screen button over here will show you the different screens to go to. We have our main, which we were just in. The I/O test will help with any input-output tests necessary when we are trying to diagnose any issues. This is essentially all the inputs and outputs of the PLC. Going back to select screen on diagnostics of the machine, you can see some information about the runtime. Again, diagnosis of the PLC, which is essentially the computer, will give us some of the feedback if there's issues. Inside of setup, you can see that it's actually password protected. If you need to get into setup to change things like kerf thickness or testing, give Pacific Trail Manufacturing a call to get that password. We don't publicize it so that we don't have operators changing things that they aren't supposed to be changing. So that's the 6 screens of the machine, and the main screen is where you will be operating mostly.